Greetings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for G Suite and get 20% off of your first year of service. The first thing you do is go to this website here, trygsuiteforfree.com. Once you get to this website, there's a couple of links here. You can just click where it says Start Free Trial, and that takes you to this page here where you can sign up for either G Suite Basic or G Suite Business. Once you've done that, go back to trygsuiteforfree.com and click on either of these links. Click here to get 20% off of your first year of G Suite, or down here, and that will take you to this Google form. And all you need to do here is put your email address in and then indicate whether you want G Suite Basic, G Suite Business, or if you're interested in both G Suite Basic and G Suite Business. Make your selections, make sure your email is correct, then click Submit. In a couple of days, you'll get an email with discount codes that will give you 20% off of your first year of G Suite. I hope you found this information useful. If so, please don't forget to like and subscribe below. I'll see you in the next video.